Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my bundle up for Christmas review. Now I'm here inside the members area, and during this video, I'm going to give you its detail and what it does. I'm going to show its all feature, and I'm also put my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, without wasting time, let me tell you what this product is all about. So, Bundled Up for Christmas is a cloud-based app in which you will get many products in one. As the name suggests, it is a bundle of many money-making products, and you will get access to 45 previous products of Dawood Islam along with 11 upsell of great product of his previous product, and you will also access to many top marketers product like Kevin Fay, John Altruis, Akhtar Alam, Johnny Rose, and many more top affiliate marketers on the internet. So it is a very good product, and you will get many product at a price of one. So you must buy it if you really want to make money online. It also have a full training included, so you can start to earn from the day one. It have everything included you need to succeed, and more details of this product I will give you later in the video, so watch it till the end. So, Bundled Up for Christmas is going live on 21st of December 9 am EST, which is New York time. So when it goes live, you can click any of the link on my description box where you can reach the sales page where you can buy it. And as you know that I have also my custom bonuses for this product, and I guarantee you that you will not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get from my link, which is down below of this video. Now let's see what are my bonuses. So as I told you that this product is a bundle of many product, so I will also give you bonuses as bundle. So there are many product in this bundle up for Christmas, and from those product I already made a separate review video of two products from them, which are XMAX traffic and mail our list, and you will get all those bonuses which I give for those two products, and their review video link is down below of this video in the description of this video, and you can check it out from there. And along with that you will also get 22 more product as bonuses from me if you buy this product from my link, which is down below this video. So basically you will get the bonuses of XMax traffic and mail our list product, and along with that 22 more bonuses from me. So these are all of my bonuses. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So first of all you have to do is click on the link which is down below this video and come on the sales page of this product where you can buy it, and after that when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history, as you can see there, this blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonus if you buy only the front end product. Now let's see the sales page of this product and what is saying all about. So now I am on the sales page of Bundled Up Christmas for Christmas, and as you can see there, oh yes, it's the best ultimate Christmas and New Year bundle. 55 front end product plus 11 upsells for the price of one, worth of $1,700 if you purchased individually. And you can also see this introduction video, and you can buy it by clicking this button. Now here, as you can see, here's the list of everything you are getting inside this product. You will get XMax traffic, you will get launcher, triple traffic, tags mania, traffic time, promote your offer, membership maintenance, mail our list, the golden standard, back to basis, place your link, crazy coupon cash, high ticket, hot shot, mid-year madness, fast list now, monthly income system, essential emails, campaign converter, mayday payday, affiliate marketing magic, total traffic, fast income fixes, and density 2021. Now as you can see there, get all these upsells pro version worth of $37 each. You will get Rhino Results Pro, Halloween Method Pro, Ducky Dollars Pro, Dolphin Diamonds Pro, Eagle Emails 365, Jogger Jackpots Pro, Lion Listing Pro, Monkey Mailers Pro, Panda Payments Pro, Women Wealth Pro, even 11 full pro upgrade included, second wave system pro, and as you can see there, 10 top marketers, 32 products. You will get Calvin Face 6M, IMI list, durable, this is Black Eben Bucks, Insta Quick Income, Ease JViju Pro, Secrets, Automation Secrets, well worthy, John Altres, The Collector, and there are much more products of this Donald Strom. I will list all these products in my description box. You can read all these names from there because these are many things there. And as you can see, there is also a short and sweet members tutorial of this inside members area, so I don't make any members area of this video. You can check it out, this members area, on the sales page, which link is down below of this video. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end product is bundled up for Christmas and it is only for $12.95, and it's all detail I gave you earlier. Now it's upsell one, which mean OTO 1 is bundled up for Christmas Pro version for only $47, in which you will get all Dawood Islam Pro versions of their released app in 2021, and you can also place 20 links on forex traffic rotators. Now its OTO2 is done for you weekly campaigns for $97, in which they will give you 3 done for you campaigns each week and every week, which include done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you to your customers. Now its OTO3 is reseller lights for $47, in which you can resell this product and keep 100% commission on the whole sales funnel and make up to thousands of dollars even you get a single sale. Now its OTO4 is Executive Club for $37, in which you will get notified a week ago if Dawood Islam launches a product. You will get a review copy of this product and 100% approval of the product, and you can keep 100% commission of the first end product. Now its OTO fifth is Total Traffic Fix for $197, and in which you can get 10x free super solo ads to over 30,000 members across all 25 sites of Dawood Islam, and you will also get free VIP upgrade to all of their 25 websites, and you can also place your permanent banner with your affiliate links to all of these 25 websites, and it is for lifetime. So basically these are the all upsells and product information of this product, and these are very good upsells, and you must buy all of them to get more success with this product and keep and make more money. So it's all about, don't forget to check out my bonuses and the sales page, which link is down below of this video. And thanks for watching my bundle up for Christmas, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Until, thank you and goodbye and take care.